Hey guys, today I wanted to do a pre-plan with me showing off a new kit that is actually coming up in the shop tomorrow. Actually, by the time this video comes up, this will actually already be in the shop. So this is actually a collaboration with AshleyAnnLaz. If you guys are not following her or subscribed to her, you definitely should. She actually has a digital subscription every month, and this is the kit that I provided to her subscription. I offered it in the Hobonichi Weeks, the Print Impression Weeks, and Erin Condren. What you're going to get if you're subscribed to her is the basic kit. It's the 3-sheet kit with all the stickers and all the goodies. Also, I did a slight reformat on the Hobonichi kits because these are now Cricut friendly, which meant I had to reduce the sheet size just slightly. And so it ended up me reformatting the entire kits. They're a little bit different than what you're used to seeing. And then this is actually an add-on. You can get all of this in my shop if you're not part of her digital subscription. But if you wanted the full cover sheets, you have to get these from my shop. They were not included in the sub. And if you get this, you also get additional washi, checklist, and date covers. So you actually get 2 sets of washi and date covers. So you can actually use this across 2 weeks since there are so many stickers in each kit. But anyway, now that we've gone through that, let's go ahead and start laying down some stickers. So like I said, this is going to be like a pre-plan with me for this upcoming week. And this is my main Hobonichi memory planner. This is the one with the red cover and all of my weeks. I know the last time I filmed was in my like my PR Hobonichi Weeks, but I really wanted to film in my regular one. And this bookmark is from Lily and Lolico. So this plan with me will not have writing, filling in, because I am filming this on Monday, the 4th, which means I generally don't know what I'm doing throughout the week. And we actually have nothing planned this week except for Saturday. I've got girls' night, and we're doing, oh my gosh, I janked that up. Luckily, I printed this on removable mat, so I could easily pick that up and adjust it, but that could have been really bad. So essentially, the full-size sheet, the one with the lines, goes on the planner side. This is the side with the lines, and then there's a blank side for the grid, which, if you guys know, I like to just extend my days across both pages, so I'm going to add my own lines. But I just line it up to the lines on the inside, so it fits the box perfectly. And then I line up my washi up against it, and I'm going to use the wood versus the, I want to call it mulch. It's not mulch. It's kind of like dried fall, like not compost. I don't even know what to call it, but I just thought it fit the kit really well. So you could use this washi instead, but I'm actually going to use the wood because I really like the logs. It's very rustic. And I like that it adds a nice dark contrast to the very white background. But if you'd prefer more muted colors or lighter colors, then these washi strips would be better for that. And then this just lines up right up against the top. Just like so. And now we're fully covered, which means you can use any kind of pen you want because you don't have to worry about the Hobonichi paper. Okay, and I'm actually going to use the glitter date covers for this week because I like glitter. And I think it's super pretty. Okay, before I lay down any other stickers, I'm going to go ahead and extend the lines. I was thinking about using a gray pen. I do have a gray pen, but I might just, you know what? I'm going to use this erasable pen that I have because it's not totally black, like it's not black at all. It's very like muted. You'll see when I start, if I write in pen with the black pen, because you'll see it's not as dark at all. And I'm not being super precise. I'm just kind of lining up where I see the line on this side and drawing it on the opposite side. And this ruler is from Jet Pens. I like it because it's in the metric system and it's hard acrylic and it's got these blue strips underneath, which kind of help it from sliding a little bit when you press down, which is great if you're doing bullet journaling. Like I like this for my bullet journal, so it doesn't slide. Okay, so now that I've extended the lines, I'm going to go ahead and start putting down my boxes. You guys know I like to write my meals. So last week I had all the pictures on one side and the meals on this side. The week before I had the meals on the right. I think I might alternate, which I haven't done in a while. Oh my gosh, when was the last time I alternated? Wow, apparently it's been a really long time. Whoa, we're going back far. Let's see. This is the last time I've done alternating in this planner. I'm going to do alternating because it's been a while. It's been a while. So we're definitely going to do it. Plus, I like with the photos, the photo patterns, to have them kind of like all the way across the planner. So by alternating it, I'm more likely going to get more patterns all over the place versus all in one area. Does that make sense? Probably doesn't. It doesn't make sense when I'm saying it out loud. So we're gonna alternate. I'm excited about it, which means all the light colors are gonna be on this side and then all the darker colors are gonna be on this side, which is totally fine by me, because then it adds nice little contrast. And I am using the previous sticker to line up the next sticker. It helps ensure I don't have a lot of gaps. Even though I did put that down a little crooked, it's okay. We will survive. And then this one, we're doing the boxes. And I am getting to the tail end of my planner, so now I'm getting on this curve, which makes putting stickers down kind of a pain in the butt. I know a lot of people have already moved into their 2020 because they're like annoyed by this. They're annoyed that it doesn't like lay flat, but that's part of having a bounded book. And that's kind of what I like about having the Stalogy, is if you set up your Stalogy to only have 6 months at a time, since it's 365 pages, you really can't do a full year unless you only have a day per page. And then that kind of sucks, because then you have no months and you have no notes, which that's fine if that's how you want to do it, or you can do tip-ins. But I feel like with the Stalogy, it's almost better to just do 6 months, and then the rest of the pages you can put in your months and a year at a glance, and have extra pages for notes. So then if you only do 6 months, then you're really only writing on half of the book, and then the other half is on the other side, so you don't have this issue of excessive amounts of pages on one side and then on the other. Anyway, I'm just sharing my thoughts at this point. Okay, since everything's light colored here and everything's dark colored here, I am going to use the darkest brown strip on the light side, and then I'm going to use the lightest cool tone strip on this side. Contrasting colors. I know I'm strange. I don't know why I'm singing. I don't know why I'm singing. I think it's because I haven't touched my planners in a while. Like, if you saw my other YouTube video, I talked about how I kind of didn't touch my planners. Okay, do I want to use the tan or do I want to use the gray? I want to use the tan, because then it kind of mirrors that brown. So I'm going to stick with the warm. I'm liking it. I always like to use the strips. You don't have to use the strips. I just like it. It kind of sections off your writing space. It's a weird thing that I do, but it's a thing that I do. Okay, weekend. And then much like I did with the alternating, I'm going to alternate the checklists too. So since I have, Since I have so much dark on this side, I'm going to do the dark on this side and then the light on this side. So, dark, then light. There is a method to my madness. I'm not just mad. There's a reason. I mean, it still makes me mad, right? There's just an explanation behind it, I guess. I don't even know. But I'm loving it. I'm super excited about it. I really like the color scheme of this. I like the theme of this. Obviously, I made it, so if I didn't, I wouldn't post it. And I would not have given it to Ashley. I would have been like, Ashley, I'm sorry. I know you asked for something, but I don't love it. I would have been like, you're not getting anything. But she did. She got it. Okay. I am loving this. I have been tracking my Instagram engagement. And I almost just put that upside down. So I'm just going to put it down here. And I have been tracking my no spend. So I will also put that down here. And since the wood is so dark, I'm using the 2 lighter colors from habit trackers. And this way, I'm not taking up any of my daily writing space. I'm just reutilizing the washi strip area. Okay. And then Saturday is really the only thing that I have scheduled. And that is a girls' night out. It's not a movie night. It's not a date night. So it's neither of these. So I'm not going to use any of these stickers. I'm going to hold off. I'm going to wait. But, oh, and Saturday's also the football party for work. Oh my gosh, guys, this is going to be complicated. Okay, I'm going to put a TV sticker down because we're supposed to do like game night at one of my coworkers' houses. And then that night is girls' night, which I feel like I need like a martini glass, which I don't have that in my kits because that's not something that I normally think about these days. I'm trying to think what would work. You know what? I'm going to use this date night sticker, this calendar sticker, and I'm just going to cut off the thing that says date night because the hearts are still relevant. It's like with my girlfriends. So I'm just going to cut that part off and then put that there. When we did it. And then I don't think we've got anything else going on this week other than those things that's like pre-scheduled. So I'm going to call this good. I am currently filming, so I am going to use this film sticker to mark the stuff that's been filmed today and call it good. So that is it for my plan with me. I obviously have tons of extra stickers left over, but if you guys want to see the completed spread, definitely make sure to check it out on my Instagram because I will obviously post a picture of this, you know, showing you guys, hey, I have a new YouTube video, but I will also be posting the completed spread at the end of the week. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to check it out. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.